These soldier termites form a living wall, defending the tunnel against unseen intruders. They have to get out of here now. They're surrounding the camera.
Structure beneath the surface. When the outer crust is breached, the colony reacts. Breach of the mound instantly reveals the humid, claustrophobic tunnels beneath, as sending the bug cam in now. This will give us the first look inside the colony's deep.
The camera plunges deep into the heart of the Nasutotermes exiciosis colony, defined by humidity and perpetual motion.
We have to get inside quickly. Look at that reaction. The sheer density of the colony is staggering. Fearlessly lays her eggs, surrounded by her frantic retinue. Deeper and deeper into the humid darkness, the colony is a blur of frantic activity and aggressive architecture. These soldier termites form a living wall, defending the tunnel against unseen intruders. They have to get out of here now. They're surrounding the camera. The structural integrity of the mound is compromised. The termites flee in a chaotic wave, sensing the imminent danger. The structural integrity of the tunnel fails, sending the specialized camera rig tumbling directly into the termite chambers below.
With the tunnel crumbling, the soldiers release their toxic spray, buying precious seconds for the workers to secure the colony's future. This is the queen of Macrotermes bellicosus, an egg-laying behemoth surrounded by her loyal subjects.
The queen is the heart of the colony, capable of laying thousands of eggs each day. These workers ensure the survival of the next generation.
This is the royal chamber, a monumental structure housing the heart of the colony.